Don't let hidden charges ruin your construction budget. Here's how to avoid them. First, check the scope of work. Make sure that everything that you need is included in the contract. This is the best way to avoid surprises. Second, review the BOQ, which is the Bill of Quantities. This document will list all the materials that are needed for the project, as well as their costs. Third, watch the provisional sums. These are amounts set aside for unforeseen expenses. The contractor may request a variation to increase the provisional sum, and if you agree, this can become a change order. Fourth, minimize change orders. These are additional works or variations that are not included in the original scope of work. Change orders can be costly, so try to avoid them at all costs. Fifth, confirm what turnkey includes. This is a common clause in construction contracts. Turnkey means that the contractor will complete the project and hand it over to you ready to use. However, it's important to clarify what this means in your contract, as it can vary. Build smart, not surprised. Watch the full video now.